Sige. So, guys, ayan, pag wala kasi kaming nagpapaantok kami ni Rel. Pag wala kami,
spell battery?
pag wala kaming ginagawa,
Is this how to spell battery?
no,
I.
B-A-T-T-E R-Y. See?
Battery.
Okay. Yung mga hindi natapos sa school, sa books, na mga hindi nasagutan, hindi nila na topic, na pag-aralan. So, yun ngayon ginagawa namin. Nag-a-answer kami ng mga books. So,
Yeah, I'm doing it alone.
okay, but I will check that later, okay? Make sure your answers are correct. So, etong sinasagutan niya ngayon,
Please, you don't know.
yung science book. Science book niya. Sayang naman kasi, diba? Di pag-aralan na lang namin. So, okay. Wala, nasaan part ka na po? Mamaya na po yan. Mamaya na po
Wait
ito.
lang, wait lang.
Wait lang, mamaya
Can
na
you
po
open
ito.
lang press this? Kumabuksan mo.
Ay, lobat na yan. Siyempre, sorry. Hindi ko na-charge.
Wait, ma charge it! I want to use it now.
Okay. Ano tayo?
Fine.
Sige, what's the question? Meron ka bang
Renewable and non-renewable resources.
renewable and renewable resources? So, what about that?
After cutting a tree, can you still replace? No. Kasi
Yes. If you cut a tree, hindi ko lang alam, no? Hindi ko lang sure kung may mga trees na namamatay na talaga, ay, or nag-grow pa. For example, di ba ito yung roots? For example, ito electric fan, ha? Ito yung trunk.
Ay! Oo nga! Naalala ko! Di na sila nag-grow!
Nag-grow pa sila.
Check.
Pag kinat natin itong trunk, mag-grow pa ulit yung pinutulan
Check
ng
ko sa
trunk.
Google.
Sige, check mo.
If you cut a tree, will it still grow? Yes.
See? Ayan,
Sam!
ganyan yung ginagawa nila. Di ba? Maski minsan yung mga trunks, di ba pinuputol nila, it will
Paano
still
ka dito?
grow.
Example, ito yung tree. Oh, kinapin.
Oo, kasi di ba minsan ginagamit natin kasi yung mga puno. Di ba? Ang papel, di ba, it's made of trees. So siguro pagka sobrang laki na nung tree, putulin nila yon, and then gagawin nila kasing paper yon. So yung tree naman, tutubo pa naman siya ulit. Oh, what else? Sige na. Mamaya ka na mag-tablet.
Yes!
Huwag mo pagsabayin ng tablet tapos nagbabasa ka o nag-aaral ka. Sipag ni Rela, no? Baka siya na nag-aaral pa din. At sige, I'll help you. Sige. Answer that and then tell me. I'll check if you did it right, okay?
Like, put it like 5 out of 5 or like this
Sige.
is until 3. Yet at least there's a pencil in the other room, but I'm using a pen.
Ah, sige, you can use a pencil.
Draw! I'm saving it for grade 2.
Ay, oo. Yan nga sabi ko sa'yo. Kaya sabi ko, hindi tayo bibili ng pencil mo sa grade 2 kasi marami kang pencils. Kasi nung birthday niya last February, may mga na-receive siyang mga school supplies. So, ang swerte naman namin, di ba? Hindi na namin kailangan bilhin sa pasukan. So, di ba, makakasave tayo ng money. But use the used one. Meron ka namang used one. Okay. Ano? Kaya mo pa ba yan?
Yes.
Okay.
After this, I'm gonna go to math.
Wow, math naman kami. Sige.
I don't help me in math because I'm not good at division and multiplication. So don't help me with that thing. Because I'm bad at that.
Kaya nga tayo nag-aaral. Kaya nga po tayo nag-aaral para tayo matuto. wala namang tao na pinanganak or agad alam ang gagawin. That's why we go to school. That's why we need to read.
I was born yesterday. What is this? What is that? What is that? That's a game born yesterday.
So, you don't have to be ashamed if you're not that very good.
Well, I'm good at science. I'm not good at math. I'm not good
What
at
important is you are striving to learn.
Diba totoo to? Once you eat a chicken meat, can you replace it? No. Kasi kinain mo na yun. Sa tummy mo na eh.
Sige, I'll check it. Answer what you know and then I'll check on that later.
Minor.
So, yun ang ginagawa namin. Not all the time naman that we are playing, that Arella is playing. So, there are times na aral kaming konti-konti lang naman.
I need plant. Wait of the plant.
Answer that so I can check it. Ba't kinokoloran mo pa? Lalo tayo magtatagal
Sabi
dyan.
ko shade eh. Shade ko na lang. Ayun.
Okay. Yun ang instruction para sa book. Shade.
Diba dati pag kulay ko ganito, diba?
Dapat you get your crayon downstairs.
No na, nakalinis na ako. Diba dati pag kulay ko ganito? Lakpas.
Opo, dali. I'll check on that. So, ganun din yung gawin nyo sa mga kids nyo. Yung mga books na hindi nila nagamit. Yung mga pages na
I
hindi...
have something to say to kids. Don't
Sige.
give up on anything that you study. The harder the question, the better you will be.
Yes, because you will learn something hard. Diba? So, very good naman yan.
I am done!
Okay, so let's check.
Well, I'm gonna prepare my math book and
So,
my
ito yung
math
question nung una. After cutting a tree, can you still replace it?
book. No. Yeah!
So, yun ang answer ni Rela. Yes. So, it's yes. The big yes. Next question. Once you eat the chicken meat, can you replace it?
No.
Galing ng question, no? And Rela answered no. And it's right. How about if miners were able to get all the gold under the Earth's surface? Can they replace it?
No. Kasi they already get it eh.
They got it all, okay. Of course, wala na, di ba? Yun lang. Okay. So, 3 yung questions na sagutan naman ni Rela. Very good. Good job. So, math naman kami later. Thank you for watching our video. Bye! Tama, sagot lahat ni Rela. Bye-bye.